In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up SMT Mailer plugin in WordPress. If you want to improve the way your WordPress website sends emails, using an SMT Mailer plugin is a smart step. It can help with email delivery and make sure messages from your site, like contact form, notifications, or password reset emails, are sent more reliably. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to find the plugin and activate it inside WordPress. To begin, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your website's content, settings, plugins, and more. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure you're on the left-hand admin menu because that's where we'll find everything we need for this setup. Next, click on Plugins. This section is where WordPress lets you browse, install, activate, and manage the tools that add extra functionality to your site. Since SMTP Mailer is a plugin, this is the correct place to start. If you already have other plugins installed, you'll see them listed here as well. After that, use the search area to look for SMTP Mailer. Typing the plugin name into the search field helps narrow the results so you can quickly find the correct option. Be careful to select the right plugin from the list, especially if several similar email-related plugins appear. Matching the name accurately will help avoid confusion later. Once you see SMTP Mailer in the search results, click on it. This opens the plugin option you need so you can move forward with the installation process. At this stage, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you're selecting the intended plugin before continuing. That can save time and prevent installing something you don't actually want. Now click Upgrade and Activate. Depending on your WordPress environment, you may see a slightly different button label, but the goal is the same. Install the plugin if needed and then activate it with it so it becomes available on your site. After activation, WordPress may refresh the page or show a confirmation message, which lets you know the plugin is now enabled. And that's it for this part of the setup. You've successfully added and activated the SMTP Mailer plugin in WordPress. From here, the plugin will be ready for the next stage of configuration, where SMTP settings are typically entered. For now, the important part is complete. The plugin is installed and active in your WordPress dashboard.